UPlift Black, and today I get the honor of interviewing Chef Nazaree, who is our Season 2 Food Network Junior Chef winner. Yay! Thank you, Nazaree, so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. And today we are in the lovely Toronto at Queen Street and Jones, and we're in Leslieville. So it's a lovely day out. It's not too hot, is it?
No.
All right, so first question. What was the feeling when you realized that you won the season?
I was in a lot of shock when I found it that I won, and it didn't feel real until I got home.
It didn't feel real until you got home. Wow. So it was just like a really crazy super moment for you.
Yes.
What was the first thing you did when you got home and you were celebrating that huge win?
Ate Chinese food.
She ate Chinese food. That sounds pretty solid. All right, honey. Well, how did you handle any hard times during the season? Because this is the first time for you to be in a competition like that, right?
Yes, it was.
Hmm.
I don't know if you remember, but there was one episode where I actually cried, so I had to take a deep breath, and I stepped back from my kitchen, and I said it all over. And Anna Olsen came over to talk to me, which really nice.
Ann Olsen, the baker. Is she one of your favorite chefs?
So I really like her.
Oh, yeah. I've seen her on TV and I've seen a couple of cookbooks. She's amazing. So what you did, you just took a step back, you got yourself together, and you went right back out there. That's an amazing technique.
Thank you.
So what were some of the easiest or kind of the easier aspects of being in this competition?
One of the easier aspects was probably doing what I love with all of my friends.
Oh, so you made a lot of friends on the show as well?
Yes.
Did you know anybody beforehand?
No, I didn't.
Okay, so all new friends, eh? Awesome. So I guess the easier aspect is doing something that you love while also just being around people that you love too.
Exactly.
Oh, that's amazing. Comfort food. And I see that you like Caribbean cuisine. So what else is your specialty?
I really like to stick to Caribbean and comfort food, and I like to mash them together too.
Okay.
I would say that my specialty would be my beef tenderloin, red pepper squash puree, and vegetables, or
Vegetables, what's that?
it's like a cornbread bun.
Ooh, it's a bread?
Yes.
And you make that from scratch?
Yes.
Okay, wow. So what do you think about Canadian food?
I really enjoy Canadian food, especially the cheese.
Oh yeah, me too. More curds, please. Do you think Canada has a signature cuisine? Do you think it's unique?
Yes.
Thank you so much to Chef Nazaree, her mother Teresa, and her father Owen for bringing her out this wonderful summer day and just talking and getting her story out. I definitely was inspired by the character of her and her spirit, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it too. Please look out for this future star wherever you can and check out her Instagram as well as check out her season on foodnetwork.ca. Thank you everybody for tuning in.